Completely madness, ladies and gentlemen. I've got another reason that if you're not at your old job, your 401k shouldn't be either. In a recent court ruling that despite and participants naming the children as the primary beneficiary, the money went to the wife. She was only the wife of 6 weeks, and one important thing is there was no spouse form designation. The court ruled, obviously, she should get the money. But what about if you roll that money over to an IRA? It still means that the IRA beneficiary designation is the law of the land. Don't leave that money at that old job. Make sure the beneficiary... Pizzeria. Good gig. That's why he is in the... You realize that she killed her own child. Okay, she's got a great body. Such attributes, Alan explained, are the types of things a young man like himself is looking for in a woman. In other words, he's incredibly shallow and he's all horned up. All right, there you go. Have a nice day. Completely madness, ladies and gentlemen.